What's up, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. We just got moved into the house. Let me show you around real quick. Bunch of boxes everywhere. I forgot a light. Yeah, everything's gone. It's somewhere in the boxes. But we just moved into the trailer. I'm gonna be doing a bunch of new videos on home improvement, that kind of stuff. Just the things I'm doing now. I'm talking quietly because my wife is asleep. But the kitchen is almost there. I fixed the water heater, the washer, the dryer, the toilet, the sinks. Everything's good. I didn't make videos for them, but I am going to be uploading a video for a office closet or a cloffice. I don't know how you say it. But another channel or video ideas that I'm going to be doing is whatever I buy pays for itself. So essentially, I will be picking up a random item and I will see if I can make money from it. Now, of course, it's not going to be like napkins. Actually, you probably could sell napkins, but it's going to be something that I buy every week and I'm going to see if I can make money off of it. I'm going to make YouTube videos from it. So maybe you guys can get some ideas on that. I know everybody's strapped for money. So hopefully that would help some people. I know it'll be fun. Other than that, I start college pretty soon, in about 3 months, so kind of ish soon. That should be pretty fun. Other than that, everything's good here. I hope you have a wonderful year, and you'll see me more.